Wellness experts are talking about all the benefits yoga offers for people of all ages, but a lot of people are worried that it's just beyond their reach. We visited Bell Rock in Sedona, Arizona to show you the basics of yoga. I'll explain the basic poses, proper alignment, and show you 2 great flows to work on. Here are some tips for beginners. Move at your own pace, move with your breath, and focus and enjoy your practice. Begin with stillness and focus on your breath. After you've found some calmness and centered your thoughts, let's start with Sun Salutation, a yoga flow that I've modified for beginners. Begin standing with your feet together, your hands at your heart center. Slightly bend your knees and forward fold. Your legs do not need to be straight. It's more important to just feel a good stretch and have your hips aligned over your ankles. Inhale to flat back and step back to plank. You should begin with your arms straight or mostly straight. Also make sure that your hands are directly below your shoulder blades. And then as you move to lower plank, you want to squeeze your elbows in towards your rib cage. Also make sure that your hands are directly below your shoulders. Inhale to up dog. Lift your chest towards the sky and reach the crown of your head towards the sky also. Take a deep breath in and enjoy the shoulder and chest opening along with a nice lengthening of the core muscles. And then exhale to your first down dog. This is an excellent pose for strengthening the shoulders, back, chest, and legs. Your hands should be shoulder width apart, your feet should be hip width apart, and you should be reaching your hips towards the sky and your chest towards your knees. When you're ready, bring your left foot up towards the sky and just really enjoy that hip flexor opening. And then bring your opposite leg towards the sky. You should also focus on keeping your shoulders as square as possible, but nobody is perfect. Just work towards that. You should feel an amazing stretching of the hip flexors here, the quads, and the core. Bring it back to center and step into your first Warrior One. Arms are reached up towards the sky, shoulders are over your hips, your back foot is at an angle and flat, and your right foot is facing forward and your knee is a 90-degree angle, or at least working towards it. Take a deep breath in, moving into your high plank then low plank again. Inhale to up dog. And exhale, down dog. Step or jump to the front of your mat. Inhale, flat back, and forward fold. Remember, your knees don't have to be straight. And roll all the way up. Now repeat the flow on the left side. Slightly bend your knees and forward fold. Inhale to flat back and step back to plank. Then as you move to lower plank, squeeze your elbows in towards your rib cage. Inhale to up dog. Exhale, down dog. Bring your right foot towards the sky and just really enjoy that hip flexor opening. And then bring your opposite leg towards the sky. Bring it back to center and come into your Warrior One. Take a deep breath in, moving into your high plank then low plank again. Inhale to up dog. And exhale, down dog. Step or jump to the front of your mat. Inhale, flat back, and forward fold. Inhale, rise up, reach up, gaze up, and then bring your hands back to heart center. I hope this video shows you that yoga can bring peace and calm to your life, better relaxation, elevated mood, strength and flexibility, and improve your overall happiness. That yoga can truly be modified to fit people of all ages. You just need to start somewhere. Thank you for watching today. Namaste. After you feel comfortable with this Sun Salutation flow, you might want to add on the next flow in the video series, the Warrior Two flow.